Math app that our group chose is the Line app. And from the functions going from left to right is the start over button to erase all of your work, the line setting button, which you can change the line, different numbers, different spacing. The next button here is a jump button to show how many jumps you've gone through all the numbers. The next button here is a jump label, so you can label how many jumps you're making for your students, whether it increases or decreases. And the following button is a line masking button to get rid of the line numbers so that your students have to fill those in themselves.
Next is the custom tick box where you can add your own number to the line. Next is the cover to cover up a number or equation. Next is the math text box to write out a math equation. And then we have the text box where you can change colors and type out the written question. And lastly, the drawing tool.
One type of activity that we can do with our students in the classroom is the concept of skip counting and how we can visually show them using the number line. Here's an example written down in which it explains groupings, 3 groups of 5 or how 5 groups of 3, how both of them equal the same amount, which is 15. And you can see that using the blocks on the number line. And when this is done, the students have a visual aid in terms of understanding multiplication questions. And the multiplication questions are written at the bottom. 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 5 is also 15.
This number line app can also be used to show financial literacy. And I've given the students a word problem here where they're trying to buy an apple at a farmer's market and they reach into their pocket and grab a random collection of coins. The students can model how many amount and value of each coin onto the number line. For example, there are 4 quarters, so I would show that by putting 4 values of 0.25, which is 25 cents. That would equal to $1, as you can see on the number line. And then you would add the 2 other loonies, which have a value of $1, and the collection of all these coins together equal to $3. And students will have to figure out if they have enough money in order to purchase an apple. If the apple value is $4 and you have $3 overall, then students will have to do the math and use $4 of the apple value, subtracting how many coins you already have, which is $3, and equals to $1. As you can see, as shown in the green, there's the equation. So 25 cents times 4 equals to $1. $1 times 2, because there's 2 loonies, equals to $2. The value the student has is $3, and the value of the apple is 4. So the students will need $1 more in order to buy the apple.
And that's all, guys.